This question is related to composite functions and inverses. Let's dive into the question. Here f is from a to b and g is from b to c. Be bijective functions. Be bijective functions. The question asks us to find the inverse of the composite function, that is g of f inverse, the inverse of this composite function GOF. Since this f and g are bijective, both have inverses. If any function is a bijective function, it means there exists an inverse of that function. So similarly, f and g are bijective functions, hence the inverses of these two functions are existing. For composite functions, for any composite function, there is a key property about inverses, that is g of f of inverse is nothing but f inverse of g inverse. This means that to find the inverse of a composite function, we reverse the order of function. To find the inverse of a composite function, we reverse the order of functions and find the inverse of each one individually. So in this case, GOF inverse will be equals to F inverse of G inverse. So if f and g are bijective functions, so inverse of composite function of GOF is given by f inverse of G inverse. That is, we always reverse the order of function to find the inverse of composite function. Let's say if we have a FOG, we have to find the inverse of FOG, then it will be equals to G inverse of F inverse. So we are reversing the order of functions.